Hi guys, today we're doing a FabFitFun unboxing video for summer 2021. I cannot wait to see what's inside, so let's get started. Alright, so we have, as usual, some stickers, ice cream, sunglasses, all that fun stuff. We have our guide for what's in the box. And so since I'm an annual member, I get to choose my preference for 4 to 5 to 6 things per box every time. So some of these things I've actually picked from the available choices. So this is something I've picked. This is a Sonics Bluetooth speaker. I already have one speaker from FabFitFun that I've gotten a couple of years ago, and it's still in pretty good condition, but I feel like it's a practical thing that you can always use. So definitely cannot have too many speakers in my book, especially now that it's summer. If we go to the beach or if we have some kind of a get-together by the pool somewhere, it will be good to have a little speaker. And look how cute this is. The color is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. It's pretty light, and it says Sonics over here. There we go. It has a little thingy to hang it from somewhere, I guess. So that's the first thing we have. Then let's see, I think this is a free item that just comes in as an advertisement. It says hydration made easy, hydration multiplier, electrolyte drink mix, lemon lime, strawberry, and watermelon, 3 samples. It is samples. All right, so it says hydration for performance, for heat/sun, for travel, for wellness. And I think you just put the pack into a water bottle and just drink it. So that's what it looks like. And they have 3 packs in this sample. So I guess I'll give it a try in the coming weeks and see if I like it, if I like the taste, and if it feels any different afterwards. All right. Next, we have something I've picked also. This is an eye serum. Here, eye serum. With retinol, and it says it's a Verso skincare brand from Stockholm. With retinol 8. So also another thing you can always use is an eye cream or serum. Another thing I picked is this picnic blanket. I'm very excited for this, actually. It has these funky, fun colors that kind of give me 70s vibes with the orange and the pink and the designs. It rolls up and you can carry it by this handle, which is pretty neat. Ooh. Oh my god, it's giant. This is incredible. Look at this. All right. So that expands to a giant blanket, and it's a great thing to have for summer picnics. Definitely going to use that throughout the whole summer. Really like the choice I made there. Good pick. All right, next thing I picked was this African Botanics Shimmer and Gold Oil. This is the packaging. And it says smooth over skin to highlight décolleté, shoulders, arms, and legs. You can also tap it to cheekbones, bridge of nose, and forehead for added dimension. So basically it's a it's like a glow serum for your body and possibly for your face, which is great for summertime. And let's see if it's actually 60 milliliters, so you can travel with it. So if you're going anywhere on a beach vacation, this would be a good thing to bring with you to prep yourself to look nice and look nice in the pictures. I actually got burnt yesterday walking around the streets of New York. It was the first hot weekend here, and clearly I was not prepared. Anyways, let's cover the burn up and continue with the haul. So that's that. Next we have face moisturizer from Malin and Goetz. Not sure how to pronounce. I like their packaging. It looks very clean, kind of almost like a hospital prescription cream. Very fresh, clean look, which I like. And it's basically a vitamin E face moisturizer. So this will be good to put on as the last step of my skincare routine before going to sleep. And the last thing that I have, and also something I picked, is this beautiful tray. So it's lemons. It's a lemon tray. It's a pretty small one, but it's extremely cute. Look at this. Look at this beautiful design. I feel like it's going to brighten up any area. I might put it in the kitchen and sort of stack some things on it and just kind of have it there. But I think so far in this haul, the most exciting thing for me is the picnic blanket and the lemon tray. It helped that me being the annual member, I could pick a lot of these things. So I actually am going to use every single thing from this box, which is pretty amazing. Oh my god, so pretty. All right, so that's the haul. That's the summer 2021 box. This is what the box itself looking like. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.